It's time to activate your DNA and tap into the power that lies within. The science behind DNA activation is fascinating, and with the right knowledge and tools, you can start your journey towards a more fulfilling life today. In this article, we will explore what it means to activate your DNA, how to do it as a chosen one, the signs that you are truly meant for this path, and the benefits that await you. So let's dive in and discover how you can start activating your DNA today. As we enter a new era, many of us are feeling the pull towards something greater. We sense that there is more to life than what we have been taught, and we yearn to unlock our full potential. This is where DNA activation comes in. Our DNA contains the blueprint for our entire being, and when we activate it, we tap into a wellspring of power that has been lying dormant within us. Activating our DNA means unlocking the potential for higher consciousness, increased intuition, greater creativity, and improved physical health. At its core, DNA activation is about aligning ourselves with our true purpose and living in harmony with the universe. When we activate our DNA, we are able to access higher levels of consciousness and connect with our spiritual selves. This allows us to tap into a source of infinite wisdom and guidance that can help us navigate through life with greater ease and grace. But what does it actually mean to activate your DNA? At its simplest level, DNA activation involves using various techniques and practices to awaken dormant strands of DNA within your body. These techniques can include meditation, yoga, sound healing, energy work, and more. By activating these dormant strands, you can unlock your full potential and become the person you were always meant to be. In the next sections of this article, we will explore the science behind DNA activation, how to activate your DNA as a chosen one, the signs that you are truly meant for this path, the benefits of activating your DNA, common misconceptions about DNA activation, and how you can start activating your DNA today. So let's dive in and discover the secrets of DNA activation. While DNA activation may sound like a new age concept, it is actually rooted in science. Our DNA contains all the information needed to create and maintain our bodies, and recent research has shown that there is much more to our DNA than we once thought. For example, scientists have discovered that only a small percentage of our DNA actually codes for proteins, and the rest is considered junk DNA. However, this so-called junk DNA may actually play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. One theory is that this junk DNA contains dormant genetic material that can be activated to enhance our physical, emotional, and spiritual abilities. This activation can occur through various means, such as exposure to certain frequencies of light or sound, or through meditation and other spiritual practices. Furthermore, scientists have discovered that our DNA is not fixed and unchangeable, but rather can be influenced by our thoughts and emotions. This means that by changing our beliefs and mindset, we can actually alter the expression of our genes and activate those that are beneficial to us. In addition, research has shown that DNA can communicate with each other across different cells and even between different organisms. This suggests that there is a larger collective consciousness at play, and that by activating our own DNA, we can tap into this greater consciousness and access infinite wisdom and guidance. In short, the science behind DNA activation is still being explored, but the evidence suggests that there is much more to our DNA than we ever imagined. By unlocking the potential of our DNA through various techniques and practices, we can tap into a source of power and wisdom that can help us live a more fulfilling life. Activating your DNA is a deeply personal journey, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. However, there are certain practices and techniques that can help you activate your DNA as a chosen one. The first step is to cultivate a mindset of openness and curiosity. Be willing to explore new ideas and experiences, and trust that you have the power within you to unlock your full potential. One powerful way to activate your DNA is through meditation. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can access deeper levels of consciousness and connect with your spiritual self. There are many different types of meditation, so experiment with different techniques until you find one that resonates with you. Another effective practice is yoga, which helps to align your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga can also help to open up energy channels in your body, allowing for greater flow of energy and activation of dormant DNA strands. Sound healing is another powerful tool for DNA activation. Certain frequencies of sound have been shown to have a profound effect on our bodies and minds and can help to activate dormant DNA strands. This can be achieved through listening to specific types of music or by attending sound healing sessions. Finally, it's important to focus on self-care and nourishing your body with healthy foods and regular exercise. When we take care of our physical bodies, we create an environment that is conducive to DNA activation and spiritual growth. Remember, activating your DNA is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. With dedication and commitment, you can unlock your full potential as a chosen one and live a life of greater purpose and fulfillment.